Do you know that 50% of CapCut users do not know how to change the aspect ratio of their video in CapCut? This is disastrous because why? Different social media platforms use different aspect ratios. For example, TikTok uses the 9:16 format. YouTube uses the 16:9 format. So you need to know how to change your aspect ratio to cater to all these social media platforms. And I'm going to teach you how. Let's get into it immediately. Once you have your video on your timeline, go to the panel under your player preview box. Look for ratio. Once you see the ratio icon, click on it. It's going to bring forth different kinds of aspect ratios. I want 16:9 for my video, so I'm going to click on 16:9 aspect ratio. And as you can see, it automatically converts my aspect ratio to 16:9. And it's as easy as that. And now you are one of the chosen ones who know how to change the aspect ratio of their video in CapCut. If this video helped you, go ahead and tap the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment because this helps the video. Thank you.